Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about the cylinder location and firing order of a Toyota Prius 1.8 liter from the years 2016 to 2023. Here we have an example of an engine from that vehicle. To find out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car, open the hood, and look at the front of the engine. The location and order would be as follows. On the left side is cylinder number 1, and on the right side is cylinder number 4. Like I mentioned before, when you stand in front of the engine, that's how they're positioned. Next is cylinder number 2, followed by cylinder number 3. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side. That's the passenger side. That's where the belts are located. Then cylinder number 3 would fire. After that, cylinder number 4 would fire. It's on the right side, on the driver's side, near the battery. And finally, cylinder number 2 would fire. Well, folks, I don't have anything else to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you then.